back to my channel. Today is a different video because I will be showing you the things that I got from the thrift store. And these things, I have it here, are not for myself because we are gonna resell this online, and we have actually begun this small business since a week ago or maybe 2 weeks ago, that we are buying some things like valuable things in the thrift store and reselling it on on our selling app online, most especially on eBay. Last weekend we went to the thrift store and we bought a couple things. We earned over $100 in less than a week of selling this stuff from the thrift store. So for now, I will be showing you the clothing that I got from the thrift store last weekend. Let me begin with this jacket. This is an LL Bean jacket. I know not all LL Beans are worth something, but this one is a vintage coat, and I got this for $4.99. And I can sell this for around $20 or $30. So this is still in a very good condition. Let's proceed to the next. So I also got this sweater. This is the Tommy Hilfiger, and to tell you all, not all Tommy Hilfiger worth something, because this one is a vintage Tommy Hilfiger with a big logo here that says its brand in front. I have checked this on eBay and they are worth really something. I think you can resell this for around $30-ish. $40 for this piece of sweater from Tommy Hilfiger. I got this for $4.98. Next is this is also a famous brand called Ralph Lauren, but this is worth something. I have checked this on eBay and they are worth like $40 to $50 because this is vintage and the logo here is something rare that you cannot see in most of the Ralph Lauren, clothes. I will be reselling this for about $30, maybe $40. And the price I paid for was $6.98. In that thrift store, we got a couple things, like including those things that I have just showed you. We only paid $12 for everything because we got this rewards points, and we already collected those points, so it was like half off. Instead of paying $25 for everything, we only paid $12. Okay, so let's proceed to the next item, and this is a coat. The brand of this coat is Columbia. Again, not all Columbia brands are worth something, but this one is worth something because this is Omni Heat. Make sure that they have this Omni Heat. Plus, it says advanced repellency. So this is really very expensive. You're gonna buy this original, would be like around 100, or still in mint condition. I got this in one of the thrift stores. I got this for $6. And guys, I can resell this for about $40 or $50 because this is really worth something. Next, this is a sweater from Everlane. If you're familiar with that brand, it is a very expensive brand. I think the sweater would range from about $100. I think it won't go even lower than that if you're gonna buy this at their website. I couldn't believe that I found this sweater at the thrift store and only paid $2.98. So guys, I can resell this for about $40 or even $50. I have seen a lot of sellers that they list this for around $40 to $50, so probably I will also do that. And the next is I got another Tommy Hilfiger with this big logo in front, and this is a sweater or a jacket. Okay, this is a vintage one, so make sure that you're getting the vintage Tommy Hilfiger with this big logo in front. I only paid $5.99 for this, and I have seen a lot of sellers on eBay. They are listing this for about $40 to $50, so maybe I will list mine for around $30 to $40. Let's see. And this is it, guys. This is for women. And the next is the Ralph Lauren dress. This is like a shirt dress, and the condition is still really good, like it has not been used. And I have seen it on eBay. They're selling this for around $20, maybe $20 to $30 for this, and I got this for $7.99. So maybe I will list this for about 20, 25, something like that. And I think that's pretty much everything. And I will also show you a video of the things that we sold on eBay. Okay, we got this vintage Peanuts Snoopy Woodstruck notepad. We only paid 40 cents for each of this. And guess what, guys? We sold it for $7.50 plus shipping. We only paid like around $4 for the shipping. Another item we sold this week is the James Madison A Life Reconsidered Nonfiction audio book, and it got 15 CDs in there. Paid 99 cents in the thrift store, and we sold it for $11 plus shipping. And the next are the Kalelo Atomo Blocks wood cars. C9, S9, T9, A9. I am not really sure because I'm not really into this, but I know this is a collectible item, and my husband knows a lot about this type of, you know, collectible items, so he is in charge of things like this and I am in charge of the clothing. We paid $2 for all this and we sold them for about $20. I also sold the women's Vince Camuto black leather ankle boots. I got this at the thrift store for around $6.99, and yes, I listed it for $30. It has just been sitting there for a month, but I received an offer for about $20. So we profit around $20 for this when I only paid $6.99 for these ankle boots. Okay, the next is the Cats Edition's World's Most Difficult Jigsaw Puzzle. It's sealed and with the complete 529 pieces. We got this for $1 at the thrift store and sold it for $7 plus $8.25 shipping. So the shipping was not exactly $8.25, maybe we just paid about $5 something for the shipping. That's pretty much everything for what we sold this week, you guys, but we still keep on listing this. I'm gonna be listing all these items and probably they're gonna get sold really soon, and I will also make another video if we are gonna sell something or if we're gonna go to the thrift store again, and I'm gonna show you our haul for this small business of ours. This is a very exciting hobby, you know, guys. You're not making money, but you are also exploring or discovering new things, like valuable things that you will only pay a little money for it, like $1 or even cents, and you can make, you know, make a profit like 5 or 10 times of that amount of you paid for. If you want to see more videos about this, because I will be uploading maybe like once a week about what we sold, or if ever we sold, if ever there's something on our list that gets sold, I will make a video, and or if ever we are going to the thrift store, I will also make a video of that and I will upload it once a week. So on this channel, I will also do this thrifting thing, and also some travel, right? I would also of course travel, and some beauty, perfumes, whatever product reviews that I will also upload it here on my channel. So a lot of things going on here, and yeah, I hope you all like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.